What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Agi. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. And in today's video we're going to be making these super yummy mandazis that I know that you guys are going to love, and we're only going to use 4 ingredients guys. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment in the comment section. Kindly let me know if you tried out my recipe and how yours came out. So let's get on with the video. So for this recipe, you're going to need 3 1/4 cups of self-raising flour, but at this point I'm just going to add in 3 cups, and the 1/4 cup I'll be able to add in later. I also added in half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can do cardamom, and this is totally optional, and I also added in 1/4 cup of sugar. So you're just going to mix everything until it's nicely incorporated, and I want you guys to remember that when it comes to sugar, you can always add a little bit more or reduce depending on your liking. So after mixing everything up nicely, I'm going to go ahead and make a well at the center of the bowl. So I went ahead and added in 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, and then I will also add in 1 cup of warm milk. So you're just going to mix this up until you get a nice soft dough. So guys, if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, because I know that you guys are gonna want to refer to this recipe. So if you're subscribed, it's gonna be very easy for you to get the recipe, and also subscribe so that you're able to get access to my many amazing recipes. So guys, as you can see, I switched to using my hands for kneading, and you're going to knead the dough for about 8 minutes. And as you guys can see also, I've just added in the other 1/4 cup of flour, which I'm gonna add slowly until I get the perfect consistency. And the reason why we are adding in the 1/4 cup of flour is because at that point the dough was a little bit sticky, and you guys want to knead this dough until you get a really nice, soft and elastic dough. So once you're done kneading the dough, you're going to cover it with a clean kitchen towel, and then you're going to let it rest for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you're going to transfer your dough into a clean dusted surface, and then you're going to divide your dough into 2 parts. So once you've divided your dough into 2 parts, you're just going to mold it into a nice round shape, and then you're going to roll it into 1/2 inch thickness. So once you're done rolling your dough, you're going to cut it into small squares. You can do any shape of your choice. You can do triangles, you can do rectangles, you can even make circular cutouts. So you're going to repeat the same process with the other half of your dough. You remember we cut the dough into 2 parts, so you're going to do with the other half too. You're going to do the same thing, guys. Also remember that when rolling your dough, it shouldn't be too thick or too thin. This is how thick it should be. So we're gonna go ahead and cook our mandazis. So in a clean pan, you're going to add in enough cooking oil for deep frying. You don't want to add in very little oil. You have to have enough oil to deep fry your mandazis. So you let your cooking oil to heat up to medium heat, and when the oil is ready, you're gonna test it with a skewer, and when it produces those bubbles, then you're going to know that your oil is ready for deep frying your mandazis. So you're gonna go ahead and slowly drop your mandazi cutouts into the cooking oil. So you're gonna go ahead and cook your mandazis for about 5 minutes or until they are nicely golden brown. And also make sure to keep turning your mandazis so that they cook nicely and evenly. So when one side is cooked, you're gonna flip your mandazis and cook the other side until they're nice and golden brown too. So once your mandazis are nicely cooked, they're evenly nice and golden brown, you're going to remove them from the cooking oil, and then you're going to place them in a nice clean kitchen towel so that they can drain off the excess oil. And also remember guys, if you want soft mandazis, kindly avoid too much heat because it will make your mandazis hard, and it will also make your mandazis not to cook on the inside, and they're likely to burn without cooking. So you will do the same with the rest of your mandazis. Just make sure you follow the process that we've shared before with the rest of your mandazis too. And just like that, you have your mandazis ready, and I'm sure that you guys are going to enjoy this because these are not too sugary. They're nice and soft and crumbly on the outside, and I know that you guys are really going to enjoy this guys. So if you really enjoyed our video today, kindly consider subscribing, because when you want to refer to this recipe, it's gonna be so easy for you to get it. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, as you might not know who might need it. And I hope that I'll be able to see you guys on the next one. Happy cooking guys.